situation.
Oh, aha! Welcome back, YouTube. Can you see me? So, I purchased a Mustang to get the driveline and stuff out of it for the Monte Carlo, and then I wound up having all that crap ripped out of it, and then a new engine built, transmission freshened. So then I ripped out the MS3 Pro Evo system, and then I'm getting into, do I want to use his crappy wiring or not? And then I decided that we're going to just use the MS3 Pro LS harness and then eliminate all his garbage relays. So let me just show you what he had. These are the two fuel pump relays here. Two relays ran two fuel pumps. Well, you can see how the grounds were just melting. These are the ground pins were just melting. And if you flip this over, you can see the positive pins were melting also. And that's not good. If you're going to run two fuel pumps, right, what he should have done is run one fuel pump for no boost. So you follow me? One fuel pump for no boost, and then boost referenced the second fuel pump. So when the boost comes on, the second fuel pump comes on. So what he did here is he had the fuel pumps, two fuel pumps running at the same exact time, which was overloading this circuit on both positive and negative on wimpy wiring at that. So he technically should have either wired it right or ran 4 relays to do that system, or just buy a real relay setup is what I plan on doing, which is a 70 amp relay with a huge lug that you can put some heavy cables on it. So I actually have one Aeromotive 5.0 pump, which will be on a huge 70 amp dual relay system. And the reason that you want multiple relays, in case one fails, that your fuel pump system doesn't shut down. But yeah, so this was not good. And I only saw this car run for 20 minutes, and then it was at the shop. I started it and moved it in and out. But then I had to get through all this hacked up wiring, and I just said I can't do this. I can't do this to myself. I'm going to do it my way. Instead of running 2 pumps, just get one bad boy pump, which is the Aeromotive 5.0 brushless, and get some super heavy duty relays so we don't have to worry about this type of problem. But if you're running 2 fuel pumps, you run it on a boost switch, and you definitely want to run, 4 relays, 2 per fuel pump is what I recommend. Thanks for watching.